Today we'll be learning how to edit videos in Canva. So first of all, go to Canva and then you go to Elements and you look for a video. So you can see all of these here. So let's go down to videos, see all, and let's take one of, let's choose this. It has a background. So we bring this cursor here and now we can edit it. So now we are playing. So what you can do is you can pause it, you can right click, and you can split the page. Let's say you want to go ahead a bit more and pause it, split the page. So what it does is, so you have this one here. Now with this you can either add some text. Let's say you want to add a text, okay, and it says space. Now with this you can change white if you want. You can go up here to effects, you can change it to this. Okay, so let's say you've got that. Now when you go back here and you play it, you can see that it goes from this to this and back again. So you can also click here, you can go up here, you can edit it. So let's say you don't want it that long, you go up here and you bring it to 15 seconds. Done. You can also edit the video. When you edit the video, you can do the filters and so much more. And you can have the playback. So let's say for this one you want the playback to have the video speed of 2. So we'll do that. So go back here. So this is the normal speed. We've got some text. Okay, so let's go up here to check it out. There you go, and you can go here to download it. You can do many more things. You can even hide it. Let's say you don't want this, so you go up here, you right click, you go up here, you hide the page. So what happens is, so now when you go up here to check it out, it removes the one where you had the word space on it. It's as easy as that.